First up, we unwrap the smartphone that's been making waves in the tech community. Sleek, powerful, and packed with features that are as impressive as they are innovative. A display that seems to stretch to infinity, a processor that puts supercomputers to shame, and a camera system that could have professional photographers green with envy. It's not just a phone, it's a statement. Moving on to the laptop that's been dubbed the ultimate powerhouse. With a design that screams elegance and performance that's unmatched in its segment, it's clear this device means business. A vivid display, a keyboard that's a joy to type on, and battery life that can keep you going for hours on end. It's the perfect partner for work, play, and everything in between. Next, we turn our attention to the smart home device that's been making life easier for its users. With its intelligent features and intuitive interface, it's like having a personal assistant at your beck and call. Control your home's lighting, temperature, and even your entertainment system with just your voice. It's not just smart, it's genius. Now, let's take a moment to compare these marvels of technology with their predecessors and competitors. The advancements are not just incremental, they are monumental. The smartphone's camera system is a giant leap forward from last year's model. The laptop's battery life outdoes its closest rival by a significant margin. And the smart home device? It's in a league of its own, with its seamless integration and user-friendly controls. End your tech journey on an exciting note. It's giveaway time, a chance to win one of these fabulous gadgets. All you need to do is like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite tech item from today's haul. Who knows? You might just be the lucky winner of the Ultimate Tech Haul 2024. Stay tuned, stay tech-savvy, and keep exploring the exciting world of technology.